So let's recap a very interesting movie today. A boy looks carefully at everything around him and says that no, this is not my world. My world is someone else's. Where is it? I know there is a hope inside me that I will reach my world. It is said that this man named Kevin disappears from here, after which the scene shifts and we see him in his normal world. He is sitting in a bar. He is very worried because all the money he had invested in the stock market has been lost. At this time a girl named Moni comes and sits near him. Who was she trying to talk to? She asks him what happened. You look sad. Kevin replies, yes, I am very sad, so please go away from here. I have told you, no, I will sit near you because sad people scare me a lot. Like, and I didn't come here for you anyway. I have brought a belt from my friend to fix your mouth. He allows her to approach him even if he does not want to. Now even he started liking Muni's company. While talking, these people become good friends and some of them even get married. At this time it is possible that both of them were very happy with each other. He did not know that his happiness would not last long because one day he met with a bad accident while coming home from office. When he regained consciousness at this time, he was on Carney Road. He looks here and there, completely alive. There was no one here except a bad man, no human being, no traffic. He asked the old man, I had an accident, where are you, my elder sister? My phone, I have to call my wife, and in response to all this she later said that you will not get anything like this done. You are in another world. Okay. During the daytime, I had taken you out from there and stayed here. Standing here makes you do bad things and says that it is my job to be a Perry factor. Shifting people from one world to another while talking about this. Stop making fun of the cabin with a restaurant. I want to go back to my world. Why do I deserve to be here? He says, yes, I have brought you into this world so that you are a shift like me. Your work will be, therefore, to take out the people from this world and bring them here to this world. Whenever he says, I am not believe that something like this is possible. If you give me proof, she is sitting for the test with you, type it and show it. Some people get anything tied in their hands from here at a very high cost. After knowing the truth, he tells her that he did not make any shift. Send me back to my wife. The factory says no. We will stay here until you become shifted, but also refuses to become shifted. He says I will not pick up anyone from the real world and bring them here. He started appealing to God to get Godser out of here. The manufacturers got angry after seeing him praying to God. He leaves from there, after which the brother leaves to see this world. There was anger among the people here. There was strange chaos. No one talked to anyone. There were fights. Families were almost as if they were not there. There was not much to eat here. People used to kill each other due to hunger. Time comes to him and he celebrates the 5 years spent in Pakistan. Even today in this world's news, one was offered a shift and the cabin refused it. Till now Giving's only effort was to find a shift here who could take him to his wife. Until date, he has not been successful in his efforts. Had he also become a friend for whom the Bible was written here, which was forbidden to be written here? Goes to a person who has technology through which people in the real world can be seen. Here I wanted to learn from my wife and she wants to see this man says, I want to go back to my wife whose location tell me, but this man says, I can't do this, I have only this much that I can give you, let me show your wife that he comes out of here. Many people are protesting. He goes and stands among these people. Was standing in front of. Suddenly they are going to protest. One of the men disappeared while running. As soon as he ran away from there, the police started firing bullets at these people. Dropped on Kevin, picks him up inside a building, and here the cabin says, Kerala. The man was able to escape because he was on shift. I also just need one shift and pay capital answers this question. Just give up and in your efforts neither will anyone shift you to shift, nor will you be able to go out of here. Now goes to a shopping mall to do some shopping for himself where he sees a child. This 7-year-old child told me something right in front of my eyes, and in the next moment my brother came here. Looking at this child, he remembers his son who also went missing in a shopping mall. These things made your Kevin even more sad. What is this in the mall? He also gets a name named Noddy in his hand. He calls Gengo by his real name and says to him, I know you are hungry. If you want, you can come to my house and have food. There was a person here who had a family. His wife and 2 daughters want to know about his well-being with him. Kevin still remembers the Bible, and there are many things from the other world which these people have forgotten. He wanted it to be okay. He taught his daughters everything he remembered, after which he would let them stay in his house and also give them a meal. Before Kevin can get excited, the alarms start going off. As soon as people turn on the news, they come to know that there is Benefit who had not returned to this world for many years. He was going to come back tomorrow. This information seemed to take away Kevin's hopes again. The ability to go to one's own world is now available only to the person who has the technology to know the location of people in the real world and believes in their location. It tells you that you will not be able to know your location unless the shifter is particularly corrupt. You won't have it. Now only Benefit had the shift bracelet. If he wanted to achieve that, he had to kill him, for which he takes a gun from Kay. However, he knows that it is illegal to have a gun in this world. It's morning. Infant had also come into this world. The police were into drugs and wanted to meet people because they considered him such a god. But he manages to escape from the police and somehow reaches his restaurant to shoot from the cabinet. Before the cabin can shoot him, he sees the gun in his hand and disappears. Now the police also knew that the cabin factory had come to attack. That's why they opened fire on Kevin, even in the restaurant. He hides. Now he had started to understand that perhaps he would never be able to meet his wife, and at the thought of this, he started getting nervous. Then this Benefit comes in front of him and says, how many years ago did I shift you? You didn't listen to me when I offered you to become one. That's why you are regretting it today. If you had listened to me, you would have been crying at your place. Or would you have been at home today, or would you have become the Messiah of these people? Kevin says, I don't want to be anyone's Messiah. I just have to go to my house, to my wife, to money, and then asks the fanatic, where did you get the money from? It is said that he brings Gabriel here along with his sister machine, even though he says this from outside the gate. What did I think about what is going to happen here? You don't know anything from behind the Bible. He also knows about that. It is said that he had gone to rape her from here. As soon as he left, the policeman who was standing there also started firing at him. April 1st, causing Maya to escape while Kevin saves his life by hiding behind the sofa. During this very rescue, Dev's sight falls on him. The bracelet she had on her hand was in April's hand. That is, his own friend kept such a big truth hidden from him that he was a shift. But Kevin came to know of Moni's location through this device. He could have gone there and was wearing this device which had been taken off Gail's hand. Get some calls and suddenly money is reported from here. Reaches another world. Whether it was science or not, he had recognized it. He again became something else from here. There are more in some other world. He had fallen into the water, and this is the same scene that we have missed in the movie. This is also not his world. He knows, but he will reach his world while searching for his wife. He has this hope that he says something again and becomes in another world. It was no less than any madhouse in the world, and the doctor who was here found many variants of the disease who completely followed him. They saved themselves by avoiding them. When he goes to the other side, he sees a girl crying. Perhaps he had seen this girl somewhere. Crying, this girl tells that because of you, my life has become like this here today. Had learned to show me by making me disappear. He took me to Tenyu and sent me here, and the fact that I am still here makes him feel a little bad. He apologizes to Tina, and while he was talking about all this, they come here and start shooting him. Before Kevin died, he could not reach again. By tendering something on this, one becomes in another world. In this world, he was seeing another variant of himself. They are saying that his lookalike is asking him from there, tell me, and how did he come here? He was not able to understand anything. He was apologizing to her, and during this time the other man sees it in Kevin's hand. Okay, getting it. You will get these devices from here. Give it to me. In return you give me whatever you want from me. But the device refuses to give it to him because he had to go to his wife in his world at any cost. Before you see that man in front, shoot Kevin. By entering some code on the device at Shraddha's point, one reaches the same world where this benefit was. At this time he did not see it, was dropped at home. He sees whether he should give it or not. The police had done it because the police felt that the dues had not been repaid. I also go here for haven, etc., giving a hope to my wife. Let's see, one day it will definitely pass from here. Kevin now goes to the man without the help of the man's monitor. Kevin could have told him his wife's location with the help of this device. As much as that man Murali Ji was there to help Kevin. Meanwhile, the police had also arrived here tracking Gavin. He was just going to do Kevin. Before meeting Kevin, he tells Kevin the code of Mohali's location. While intercepting it, even before destroying it for the police, Kevin had a lot in his real world, and the one who was in the mall at the time was also surprised to see gaming here after so many years. Surprised as well as angry, she tells Kevin, "You remember you are leaving me alone." Kevin says, "No, I never left you." He shows her his wedding ring, which he is wearing in his hand, and says that even after winning, I stayed away from you and remained in your memory. I have been trying to come to you. The belief in my words tells him to go back to where you came from because I have now remarried. I was devastated to hear this. He tells me, "No, he is not doing this. I will also go without you." Seeing the condition for him, she says, "Okay, if you want to stay with me, then I have one condition. You find our child who was lost. Come to me. I will also leave everything. We will start living our life again." She was gone from here and Kevin was devastated. We see him taking her away from here to his own world. Manufacturers are now very numerous. What did you think? You will leave this world so easily and I will not do anything to you. Whatever bad thing you have done to me, now you are punishing it by remaining silent as if you can do anything to him. No son says you have two options. One is that I send you back to your old life with your wife, and this girl was the one I sent to the mental asylum because of you. Should I send that girl into his life? Maybe I was testing him because at this time, Kevin, who was high in this world, had become selfish. The manufacturer knew that Kevin would decide to go there in his life, but to his surprise, he makes the opposite decision and decides to send the girl back to her old life. After Kevin, this girl was sent back to her family. These people see that she was very happy to go home, but he was mad at her because he thought that it was his son, and at this moment Kevin should be shot in anger. A new world opened up for Kevin as he stood near a bar. He goes inside where he sees his wife. Give and go. He is going to Modi by putting an investigation, asking him. He is feeling sad. What happened is coming towards giving. A shifted 18-hour shift. Now I am tired of going. I am tired of talking now suddenly. A daughter's call comes to Radish and it is known that there is married in this world. His phone cuts. He has asked Modi, "Have you become married?" "Yes, I do not live with your husband." His happiness was not there. He makes friends in talks with Radish, invites for tea. Some such things also get married and Radish started living a happy life again. At the end of a paddy, Kevin says, "I know that this is not my world, but I will adjust in this world because this story ends here, telling me my wife again in this world."